Welcome, dear one. You've made it through the day. Now, it's time to let the world grow quiet, to set aside the weight you've been carrying, and to gently come home to yourself. This is your time, a time for rest, for warmth, and for peace. Tonight, I'll tell you a story, a sleep story, crafted to calm your thoughts and guide you into deep, nourishing rest. There's nothing you need to do, no pressure to follow every word. Just let the sound of my voice guide you. Let the story unfold like a blanket settling softly over you. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out slowly. Good. Now one more time. Inhale and exhale. Let's begin. Far beyond the busy roads, beyond glowing screens and crowded rooms, there lies a forest. It's quiet there, still, ancient. The kind of forest where time seems to pause and the world moves just a little more gently. The trees are tall, giants of pine and spruce. Their trunks are thick and sturdy, their branches wrapped in deep green needles. The canopy above gently filters the silver light of the moon. And tonight, soft rain is falling. Raindrops drift down slowly through the branches, landing softly on leaves, on moss, on the soft earth below. The air smells of pine bark and cool mist. There's a hush to the world. And you are walking gently down a narrow forest path. The ground beneath your feet is soft, covered in pine needles, moss, and scattered leaves. You move slowly, each step quiet and careful. The sound of the rain and the rhythm of your breath blend together into a steady, peaceful beat. A squirrel watches you from a branch above, its tail curled beside it, its eyes bright and curious. It doesn't move, just sits quietly, blinking through the rain. You nod to the squirrel and continue walking. Off to the side, a deer lifts its head from a patch of tall grass. Its ears flick gently, but it doesn't run. It simply watches, calm, still. Then, gracefully, it turns and disappears into the mist. As you walk farther, you begin to see a light in the distance, golden, flickering like a candle. You follow the glow, guided by curiosity and a gentle sense of belonging. Through a small clearing, you find it. A small wooden house tucked neatly between the trees. Its roof is mossy and sloped, with smoke rising gently from the chimney. The windows glow with golden light, casting soft reflections on the nearby ferns and bark. A carved wooden door slightly ajar, as if someone left it open just for you. You walk up the worn stone path, past a small pair of birds huddled under the eaves, sheltered from the rain. And with one step, you cross the threshold, leaving the forest behind. Inside, the house is warm. A fire crackles gently in the hearth. Its golden light flickers across wooden walls, lined with shelves of books, bundles of herbs, and simple handmade treasures. The scent of cedar, cinnamon, and something sweet, maybe vanilla or honey, hangs softly in the air. You close the door behind you. The rain becomes a whisper against the windows. You take off your shoes, wrap yourself in a thick woolen blanket, and there, near the fire, a soft armchair waits for you, deep, comfortable, safe. You sink into it, and your whole body relaxes. The warmth of the fire, the softness of the blanket, the gentle glow of the room, everything here is made for rest. Outside, the forest sleeps. You can feel it. The trees are still. The animals have all found shelter. The deer is curled beneath a fir tree. A fox slumbers under a thicket, its soft breath rising and falling. And just outside your window, an owl perches quietly on a branch. It blinks slowly, listening to the rain. Inside, you breathe deeply. You hold a warm cup of tea between your hands. Chamomile, lavender, a blend made just for sleep. Each sip brings more calm. Your shoulders relax. Your thoughts become lighter, slower, softer. watch the fire, the way it dances, the way it hums. The rain continues outside, and the warmth of the room wraps around you like a cocoon. You are safe here. You are welcome. You are loved. Your eyes begin to close just for a moment. But you don't need to hold on. You can drift. Drift deeper and deeper. Sleep comes like a tide, not all at once, but in gentle waves. You feel it moving through your body. Your arms become heavier, your legs so still. Even your breath feels like it's gliding, floating. Your thoughts, if they are still here, begin to feel soft around the edges, fainter, quieter, like distant stars slowly disappearing behind clouds. You imagine yourself back in the forest, only now you are part of it. Not walking, but resting beneath a great pine tree, its branches like an umbrella sheltering you from the rain. A small fox appears from between the trees, steps quietly to your side, and curls up nearby, its breathing soft and slow. Above, the owl turns its head once more, watching from its perch. Everything knows you are here, and everything is at peace. You feel a breeze move through the forest. Cool, clean, refreshing. It carries the scent of wild mint, wet bark, and a memory from long ago that you can't quite place, but it feels good. There's something timeless about this place. Like the forest has always existed, quietly, patiently, waiting for moments just like this. You shift slightly in your chair, still wrapped in the soft blanket. The firelight dances across the ceiling, flickering in slow, golden waves. You look again at the shelves near the fireplace. There are hand-carved trinkets, tiny animal figurines, bundles of lavender, and a small notebook with a feather pressed inside. All of it tells a quiet story. A story of care, of slowness, of things that last. Rain continues to fall outside. You hear it tapping on the windows, on the roof, on the leaves beyond. You wonder how many nights this house has heard the same song, and how many people before you have rested in this very chair, safe, calm, loved. It makes you feel connected, not alone, but gently held in something older and wiser than words. Your breath has slowed now. Each inhale is longer, deeper, and softer. Your fingers are still. Your body is heavy in the best way, like being hugged by the earth. If a thought arises, you let it drift away like a leaf floating across a still lake. There is nothing to worry about now. No clocks, no noise, only this moment, only this night. You may dream soon, or you may simply drift in this space between waking and sleep. Your mind is floating, your breath is steady, your heart is calm. All around you, with Within and without, there is stillness. You are exactly where you are meant to be. In your sleep, the fire crackles softly, the owl keeps watch, the rain keeps falling. The house holds you, the forest protects you, and the night, the quiet night, wraps you in peace. You are warm, you are still, you are drifting. There is nothing left to do, nothing to carry, just rest. Good night, dear one. Sleep deeply, dream gently, and know you are home.